First, remove the spinner guard and the material divider. Do not remove the spinner motor from the spinner assembly. Remove the spinner hub mounting bolt. Now spray penetrating oil between the spinner hub and the motor shaft. Let the penetrating oil set for several minutes to allow it to work its way in. Use 2 pry bars to pry up on the spinner disc assembly. If the disc only comes up a little, reapply penetrating oil, then tap the disc down. Now try prying the disc up again. If after several attempts the disc will not come off, then heat may be applied to the spinner hub. Use caution as the penetrating oil may be flammable. If removing the optional 1/4 inch thick spinner disc, then a stainless steel flat washer will be installed on top of the motor shaft. Use care when removing the spinner disc assembly as not to lose this washer. Once the disc is off, remove the rubber washer. Thoroughly clean the top of the motor. Apply high-temp grease to the top of the motor around the seal retainer, then install a new rubber washer. Once this is done, apply anti-seize to the shaft and inside the spinner disc hub. If installing the optional 1/4 inch thick spinner disc, reinstall the stainless steel flat washer on top of the motor shaft. Install the spinner disc assembly and install a new retaining bolt. Now install the material divider. Be sure to center the divider above the spinner assembly. Refer to the Squaring the Spinner Assembly videos for proper spinner assembly dimensions. Finish by installing the upper spinner guard. Be sure to phototack the spinner disc and conduct a spread pattern test before application.